In today's video, I'm going to teach you the essentials of using TradingView, taking you from the basics all the way to more advanced techniques. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this tutorial will empower you with the skills needed to make the most out of this powerful platform. Let's begin our journey by navigating over to TradingView, which you can easily access by entering their website URL. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by a range of different products. TradingView is known for its comprehensive suite of tools that caters to traders of all styles and interests. You'll also find an active community section. This is a fantastic way to engage with other traders, share insights, and learn from one another. The community aspect can be a tremendous resource, especially if you're looking to validate your ideas or simply connect with like-minded individuals. Next up is the market page, where you can get a snapshot of current trends and movements. It's a great area to start crafting your trading strategies, as it provides valuable real-time data and analytics. There's even more to explore as you dive deeper into the site, so make sure you take your time to familiarize yourself with all the sections. Doing so will enhance your understanding and streamline your trading process. Now, let's move on to how you can effectively use TradingView. You'll notice a handy plus sign, which is your gateway to new symbols. By clicking this icon, you open up a treasure trove of trading instruments. From stocks and funds to futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, and beyond, TradingView supports a wide variety of symbols. This extensive library allows you to tailor your portfolio to match your trading preferences. For our demonstration, let's focus on forex, a popular choice among many traders. Let's say you'd like to examine the USD-JPY currency pair. Simply click the plus sign and select USD-JPY from the list. Then, for a deeper analysis, click on Full Chart to explore detailed insights into the currency pair. On this full chart, you can begin to leverage various tools and indicators to enhance your analysis. TradingView provides a diverse selection of indicators that you can easily add to your chart for additional insights into market conditions. Furthermore, to refine your strategies, you have the option to replay past data, allowing you to study the chart's historical price movements. In addition to applying indicators and replays, you can also integrate technical drawings like lines or Fibonacci retracements. These tools are crucial for identifying key levels and potential pivot points in your analysis. Remember, the more you dive into TradingView's capabilities, the more intuitive it will become. Empower yourself with its wide array of features to elevate your trading strategies and reach your financial goals with confidence. Happy trading!